All right, welcome back here. We're going to take a look at another logarithm that is on our calculator, which is ln. That stands for logarithm naturel, which is French for just the natural logarithm. Okay, the natural logarithm uses a different base. The base is the number e. And e is a irrational number, much like pi, or the square root of 2, and it shows up a lot in, well, nature, and certain kinds of growth and stuff like that too. So, and decay. So anyway, it's a button on our calculator that we can use. It's just the ln key. It's next to the number 4 if you have a graphing TI graphing calculator. Okay, yeah, just go ahead and type this in. So ln 3 squared. So I'll go ahead and just type this in here. So clear that out. ln 3 to the 2, 2.1972. Okay, so go ahead, use your graphing calculator or computer to go ahead and calculate these logarithms for b. Well, just go ahead and try b, I guess. That's the only one we can really do. Okay. All right. Hopefully you went ahead and tried that. The natural log of 2 to the 4th, you should have gotten to be approximately 2.7726. Okay. We can use the same properties for like log base 10 as we can for these natural logarithms. So right away, right, I see like a 3 here that we can bring up into the exponent. In fact, let's go ahead and just bring the negative 3 up. So this is going to become then the natural log of 4. And I use cursive ln, so like cursive like that. It might get a little sloppy with how quickly I write, but I'll try to be okay. Try to be nice and neat. So if I move the negative 3 up, then we're going to leave a positive behind. So it'll be ln of 1/3 to the negative 3 plus the ln of 2. Okay, and then this will simplify here. So the negative will make this become 3 to the positive 3, and then 3 to the positive 3 will just be 27. So this is really the ln of 4 plus the ln of 27 plus the ln of 2. And since it's all addition, that means they will become multiplication inside. So it's really just the natural log of 4 times 27 times 2, which gives us 216. Okay, and there's our single logarithm that they asked for. All right, letter B. Again, we have that 3/5, and we have a negative here, so let's deal with those. 3/5 go up into the exponent here. Let's make this a -1, which will then go up into the exponent of the 4. So we'll have natural log of 5 plus the natural log of 32 to the 3/5 plus natural log of 4 to the -1. Okay, which will then be the natural log, since we all have addition there, we're just going to multiply those things. So it'll be natural log of 5 times 32 to the 3/5, which actually isn't too terrible to do. Remember that 32 is the same thing as 2 to the 5th. So 32 to the 3/5 is really just 2 to the 5th to the 3/5. And then when we have a power to a power, we multiply. And so it's going to be, well, 5 times 3/5 is really just 3. So it's 2 to the 3, which is 8. Okay, so this is really just 8 right here. And then times 4 to the -1. Again, 4 to the -1, that's just 1/4. Okay, so we multiply all that together. We get 10. Okay. And then these, we are asked to rewrite each expression as a sum or difference of constants and logarithms of simpler terms. So again, natural log here, we're just going to break things up. So first thing I see, the big thing I see here is division. So we'll go ahead and rewrite that as the natural log of, and I'll rewrite this square root as a 1/2 exponent too. So we'll have natural log of 5x to the 3rd to the 1/2, like so, minus natural log of e squared, like so. Okay, using our properties here, we have the exponent, so we can bring that out front. Likewise here, the 2 we can bring out front. And so we have 1/2 natural log of 5x to the 3rd minus 2 natural log of e. Now I said natural log is same thing as log base e. So when we have natural log of e, that's going to simplify to just 1. Okay, and so we have 1/2, and we can break this up here too. So we have 1/2 the natural log of 5 because it's a product, plus the natural log of x to the third, minus 2 because it's 2 times the 1 there. Okay, so if we distribute here, we get 1/2 the natural log of 5. Bring the 3 out front as well. So it'll be plus 3/2 natural log of x minus 2. And there's our final answer. Okay, let's go ahead and finish letter B here just to be done. All right, so again, the big thing I see here is division. So we'll make this the natural log of the numerator, x plus y squared, minus the natural log of x squared plus y squared. Again, this exponent here, since it's like the entire quantity is being raised, that's 2, we can bring the 2 out. But here we can't break up this because it's got that addition, and there's no property for addition inside a logarithm. And we can't factor that 2, the power out, because again, it's addition. You can't factor over addition like that. So what we have to do is just leave this one the way it is. Okay, but the first one will be 2 times the natural log of x plus y minus natural log of x squared plus y squared, like that. Okay, and that's the best we can do with that. Alrighty, and so if you look down there, again, there are some more general properties, again listed for other logarithms besides base 10. These are all base b. Okay, so just more general. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next lesson.